Good team, Mr. Dharma here. I appreciate that you're probably doing an internal online, and I just want to show you an online calculator you can use to help you with your assessment. This is only if you don't have a calculator at home that can do trig functions. So you go to Google, or you click the link that's on the Google Classroom post, and you can type in Desmos Scientific. Okay, and it's normally the first one that comes up, and you click this link. My suggestion is to always do it in full screen mode. It comes up nice and clean in that way. So if you want to do a calculation on here, you can type in the numbers 15 times 3 and then hit enter or the blue button, and it saves your answer up the top for you. If you want to do any trig functions, you can still do that. So sine 30, for example, is still available there for you. And if you have any need for powers, you can just hit this and that will do the squared for you. Remember, your brackets are really, really important, and so you might need to check your working there. All of this stuff will be saved up here for you. If you need to do inverse trig functions, you can click the function button up here and you can choose them. You might have to hit main again to type in your numbers, but you can use your keyboard to type in the numbers. So here we go. So if I did inverse sine of 0.785, my answer is 51.7. Make sure you round, and if you need any help with this, make sure you contact your teacher well before your assessment. But even during your assessment, if you get a bit stuck, feel free to just drop an email to your teacher and hopefully all be resolved. All the best, Mr. Dharma.